This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Aaronetta Stewart. Home has a fantastic floor plan with plenty of room. Formal living room, dining room. The spacious kitchen that overlooks the oversized den 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and 2 half baths. Possible in-law suite downstairs, only a half bath. Roof, hot water tank and outside dual HVAC system are all less than a year and a half old. Outside gazebo is usable year-round. For more information, review the details below.